Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. We've had a perfect beginning of our trading week since the market right now is more stable. So today I decided to show you a few trades from my trading session with their in-depth analysis that could help you to understand the market and its movements a bit better. And as usual, all our trading activity, analysis, results, etc. are available on my Telegram channel, so consider subscribing.
Life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
I found the entry point of our first trade by analyzing levels of support and resistance, as well as using candlestick analysis. Note that here, on the 1 minute time frame, we see a downtrend. The market has reached its lowest point and is now heading for the level of resistance. The long shadows of these candlesticks indicate that the bears are trying to direct the chart downwards again. We buy a put option with a 5-minute expiration mark and wait. And that's how the chart looked in a few minutes. Now, this situation here, on the other hand, is on the uptrend. We see a robust, long and steady corridor. Also, take a look at the MACD and stochastic indicators. They tell us that after such a steep movement downwards, the chart should go up, following the trend line. So we wait for a small rebound, not to enter at the highest point, and get a call option with a 3-minute expiration mark. Our friend, the alligator, helped me out here. You can find a video about it on my channel. So here on the 5-minute time frame, we see a steep market fall up until the lowest point. Our indicator lines are smooth and don't cross each other, meaning that the market isn't going to turn around for now. Don't forget, we don't trade against the trend, especially against such a strong one. Now we have a perfect entry point, since the market has bounced towards the level of resistance. Thus, it should continue to go down. So we buy a put option for 10 minutes and wait. The last trade that I'm going to show you today was made using a well-proven strategy, the double impulse one. The market has already begun to turn around, so let's waste no time and determine the turning point right away, using the Fibonacci retracement. We put line 1 on the end of the first impulse and line 0 at the beginning of the first impulse. And our turning point is precisely on line 1.6. Exactly how we need it. So I buy a call option with a 5-minute expiration mark while it's not too late. And while we wait, here's a quick reminder of what the double impulse pattern is. So here's a strong impulse upwards, then the market consolidates, looks like a cluster of candlesticks on the level, and then comes to another strong impulse upwards. All those factors indicate that the market is going to turn around and head towards the level of consolidation. And we used the Fibonacci retracement to find the turning point. You can learn more about this pattern here. This turned to be a shorter but still helpful video about some of the situations we faced on the market this week. Don't forget, all of my announcements and the analysis of my trading activity can be found on my Telegram channel, so consider subscribing. I hope this video was helpful and you've learned to understand the market, its patterns and movements a bit better. So see you soon, stay safe and be in touch.